My name is Jessica Jordan. I'm from East Tennessee near the Great Smoky Mountains, so I grew up camping, hiking, pretty much anything to get me outside. I'm no expert, but I really do have a passion for being out of doors. I don't care if it's raining, if it's snowing, if the sun's out. There's just nothing can make you feel as big and small at the same time as climbing a mountain or exploring unknown wilderness. I would love to have this internship for the summer, and I feel I have a lot of qualities which recommend me for the position. I persevere, I'm outgoing and enthusiastic, and I love to meet new people and try new things. I've never really had the money to travel, but it's always been a dream of mine, and I can think of no better way to live out that dream than by simultaneously helping other people and the environment. Right now I'm at college in Connecticut, and without a car it's really hard to get the same kind of outdoors experience I had back home. I really miss the mountains, and they say that without nature, a man's heart grows hard, and I don't want that to happen to me, so I hope you'll give me a chance to take advantage of this great opportunity.
I wanna walk up the side of a mountain,